Welcome to Hotel Coronado. Let's go inside. Welcome to Hotel del Coronado, also known as the Del, the Hotel Del, is a historic beachfront hotel in the city of Coronado, about 15 minutes from downtown San Diego. It is an iconic wooden Victorian oceanfront resort since 1888. It consists of 757 rooms and under the management of Curio Collection by Hilton. I know. Let's go inside. See? Let's go inside. Pretty. Diba? This is where the shops are at. Yeah, look at this. Brady's. Beach house. Oh wow. Yeah. Here's the outside. Yeah, look at this. It's nice, huh? Ta-da! It's huge. They have a big open patio. You like it?
Yeah,
What do you think of the hotel?
really nice. I'm just thinking it look like the same style of Deauville. It's in the north of France,
Oh,
close to a little bougie. And yeah,
we can sit down here. Yeah, of course. Let me see. Oh yeah. It's new too. It smells so good. There's the beach. There's the hotel. The only thing here is that $25 for 2 hours for the parking. I don't know. I guess we're just gonna sit So what you doing?
I'm just enjoying the view. This is my first time.
Oh yeah.
There you go. We went to Sun Deck and then in Coronado. Here, cheers. There we go. What are you doing?
So after to came to Mexico, I'm into the border, but now it's for the stevia because it's so strong the alcohol.
He's putting Splenda on the mojito. Crazy. And this is what we're having right now. Ooh, very healthy. Baby. That's why we don't drink a lot, because look, it's just halfway done and I'm already red. So Asian glow, they say. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo and Seb. We will see you again in the next video. If you like these travel videos that we have, give us a like, subscribe now, and comment below. We'll love you all. We'll see you again. Bye. If you haven't watched our A Day Trip to Mexico, go check it out.